Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. It's summertime and the most important thing we should do is keep ourselves hydrated. So in this video I'm going to share 3 different ways in which you can make detox water at home. I find detox water very refreshing and relaxing. It not only removes the toxins from our body but it also aids in digestion and weight loss. And it also reduces bloating and water retention. I'm going to prepare the detox water by combining some mint leaves, cucumber, ginger and lemon in 3 different ways. And of course we are going to need some chilled water. In my first combination, I am going to add some cucumber slices, some mint leaves, and some lemon. Now I'm going to pour the water. And the cucumber mint lemon detox water is ready. I'm gonna give it a stir. You can have it instantly or you can put it in the refrigerator, but make sure you don't keep it for more than 24 hours. Have it when it's still fresh. If you want to have it later, make sure you remove the rind of the lemon, because if you keep the rind, then the water is going to turn bitter after a while. For my second combination, I'm going to add some mint leaves at first. Some ginger slices, then I'm gonna pour the water, I'm adding some lemon, and I'll give it a stir. Make sure you stir it properly. It also looks beautiful. The stirring helps in the infusion. The lemon ginger water is ready. For the third combination, I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar. I forgot to tell you about this earlier. Just add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Add the water. Add some mint leaves and lemon. You can also add a slice of ginger. You can make your own combination. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can just add the mint leaves and lemon and you're good to go. If you want me to make a detailed video on detox water, you can leave your comments below. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And do leave your comments and suggestions below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.